Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.
Part 1, asking about the weather. What's the weather like? Is it snowing yet? How windy is it? Is the sun shining? What's the weather going to be like? Is it going to storm? How many degrees is it outside? What's the temperature like? How warm is it? What did the forecast say this morning? Part 2, describing the weather. It's cold outside. It looks nice out. It's raining right now. It looks like it's going to rain. The forecast said it will rain later. The weather is beautiful. It's 86 degrees Fahrenheit out. Be careful, it's slippery out. It's so cloudy today. It's a stormy day. We're finally getting some snow. It's absolutely shorts weather. It's raining cats and dogs. Part 3, describing feelings towards the weather. I hope that it won't rain. I'm looking forward to when the sun comes out. I'm loving this warm weather. I can't wait for it to snow. I'm freezing right now. I'm too cold. I don't like when it's too hot out. I feel completely warm now. I'm a cold weather kind of person.
Word by word along the way, together we can proudly say, we're getting stronger every day.
What is the weather going to be like today?
It looks like it's going to rain.
Oh no. I thought it was going to be nice.
The forecast said it's going to be rainy and cold all weekend.
We were going to have a barbecue, but maybe we should do it another time.
The weather has been really unpredictable lately.
I really hope that it won't rain. Yesterday it was sunny and warm.
Maybe it will be better next week.
I sure hope so. This summer has been very rainy so far.
Wake up in the morning light,